Fiona Crawford Williams and Kate Whittaker, please take the stage. Thank you. Who have we got? Kate. Yes, Kate Whittaker. Great.
Thank you. Fiona's unwell today, so it is just me. So I'm Kate Whittaker. I'm from Cancer Council Australia, and I just first want to say thank you for the invitation, to be a part of this workshop. And also, it's been really wonderful to meet you, especially everyone working in mental health services, whether it's in the community, in the tertiary setting, in research, lived experience. I think for us in cancer, it's a really exciting space to build better collaborations, and through this workshop, we were hoping that we could start to do that. So we have one recommendation, but it is quite a big recommendation, that we need cancer services and clinicians to be upskilled in the person-centred, trauma-informed care that can identify the holistic needs of people with mental health challenges. And how we came to that was that we've just had the Australian Cancer Plan launch 2 years ago, but it does set out a 10-year ambition for cancer in Australia, and that's from prevention, screening, treatment, supportive care across all cancer control. And as part of that, Cancer Australia, who is the government body for cancer control in Australia, has identified what they term as priority populations, so people, groups of people who have poorer cancer outcomes and experience inequities in our health system. So through that, there is a greater focus that we can leverage through our collaborations and funding opportunities to do some of this work that might help reduce those disparities. So our workshop really talked about a framework for doing that, and we have the optimal care pathways, particularly in cancer control, and they set out what is best cancer care for so not only people affected by cancer, but this is also covering prevention, screening, early detection as well, so the whole continuum. And so there is an opportunity for us to all work together to develop what could be the first optimal care pathway for people living with mental illness, distress, and across sort of the whole, range of mental health challenges. And so we frame that to our workshop around, could you talk about the barriers and enablers at the moment to preventative activities, to screening services, and to other services in general. And that was really informative around providing guidance of trauma-informed care, the role of other support networks, whether it's formal social workers. I hadn't quite appreciated, the great role of social workers, and being the bridge between psychology, other mental health support services and clinical services, and the needing to reframe what healthcare is for people, and actually getting back to the core of it, something for you to do for yourself, for the benefit of you and your family and others. And so how do we actually create those enabling environments that are supportive, that focus on why you need to be there, and that it's not a clinical transaction or a wrap around the wrist because you've missed an appointment. It's addressing all of the accessibility issues that we need people to be coming to health services. We need to be going to people as well to engage them in activities like screening and preventive activities, and also enabling connections to the wider allied health. It's really connecting people to this together. So sorry, that was a very big brain dump of mine, but I've just been really challenged about how we can put that into an opportunity that we've got around optimal care pathways. So we actually ran a Mentimeter sort of session. We've got a lot of info that's come from that, and so I'd be really excited to put that into a more formal report and provide that back for some more input